Hello world, here is Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader and financial analyst, and so let's go continue trading. So as you can see, a couple of trades are already won, and we are waiting for some huge moment for today, just in 10 seconds. So we put the amount we are going to invest in the trade and patiently waiting for a couple of seconds. So what will happen on market? Let's see. Let's follow the moves. So let's see what is happening. And here we go. So the downtrend. So the downtrend we were waiting, and this is the main strategy we're using in trading. So when we know that, definitely we know the exact date and time when to enter the trade, and you can see how stable it is. Let's open. So you can see how stable it is, how far is our level from the level the currency pair has with its own. And so let's see, so the open trades are right in here, so you can see, here we go. So on the bottom of your screen, just couple of seconds more and we will get the profit. So this is the strategy we are using in the end of the week. Every week we have the same moments, and they are 100% predictable, and we definitely know when it will happen and when there will be some huge influence on the market. Usually with this strategy I'm trading only one time, exactly on the time when it is happening, when there is an influence on the market. And so this is why I'm not gonna continue to trade with this moment, and don't advise you as well. So right in here you can see, so 3 of 3 trades are successfully won. So we continue trading, but with another trading moment in just in couple of hours. So if you don't have the same results, if you have questions about the strategy and trading, please give me the message. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. I'm answering in person and will be happy to help you anyhow and to answer any of your questions about the strategies. Thank you so much. So if you want to learn, please give me the message. I will tell you some more details. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. Thank you so much for your attention. It was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you. See you soon.